Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick overview on this Halloween, I know it's hard to get in frame, loaded bag. Let's start with the front piece. So this, here let me move that because that's part of the packaging. So this front, I just did this really pretty floral Halloween. It's from the Michaels paper pad this year. I did some of the flowers from Michaels this year as well. This is a Prima flower, gorgeous, from Hobby Lobby, like in fall colors. This broom is from Hobby Lobby, and then I just added a bunch of Wink of Stella on there, and then glued a few random Hobby Lobby spiders on there. I made this one have a heart butt. I then went through and added Wink of Stella to all of the flowers to add that extra, you know, sparkle. This little medallion is from the 99-cent only store. It's actually a necklace, like a choker, and I just took the necklace part off. And I tied, see, you can see right here that it was like a bracket to hold the choker. I just tied a little twine bow right there to kind of offset it. And then I did 3 different trims, 2 different pom-poms, and then some eyelash trim on the top. And then this guy's just like dangling down. And now that this keeps flipping over, I think I want to add something on the back so it's not just like this bright white, like, oh, you know what I could add now that I'm looking? Some Hobby Lobby trim. Yes, going to, okay, so I'm totally going to do that. Okay, so let me get on this. So I just have a black and white straw with a pom-pom at the bottom, some trim, a little bow, and I did some circle and scallop. And then this is that coaster from Michaels this year, the Martha Stewart party coaster, and I just cut it down because like a web has a pattern, so you just cut it to however big you want your circle, I guess. And so I cut it down, I fussy cut it, and then I just did the edges with some gold pen, and then I did a snowflake in the very middle beneath the spider, but I did it in Halloween paper, so you can't even tell that it's a snowflake. Then this big giant plastic spider is from Michaels. I think it just looks extra spooky. Then in this front pouch, I have some of my little circle embellishments. Just did some glitter, a little bow, bat bow with some trim. Then this, I just did some layered, what are those called? Banners, I guess. I die cut this cat with my silhouette. Then I have words in here, 2 boos and 2 spookies in gold and black that I made with my happy jig. And then this guy, I did the little bag topper from AliExpress, and then I stitched it at the bottom, did some layering, some enamel dots, or not enamel dots, Nuvo drops in white, my little bat, flashing bat. This die says trick or treat, and I did it in some of the like fancy Hobby Lobby papers. Then I keep seeing, should I just leave all this hot glue thread everywhere? Adds to the vintageness, right? Oh my gosh, I can't get it off. Okay, anyway. Just added a couple trims. These are some witch dies and skeleton. That little cross that I think looks perfect for Halloween. This little gem fell off and I don't know where it went. Okay, anyway. This little pom-pom paper clip that I hauled. Policy envelope. Sequins mixes are in here. Then I did this little Hobby Lobby envelope. I just decorated it with some 3 different trims, and I gotta fix this now that I see this all bent up. What do I have in here? Just holding that down, I glued it. I made these bows with some Hobby Lobby trim in black and white. Totally reminds me of Jack Skellington. Okay, I fixed that corner. Then these are some of my decorated, I guess, tombstone style tags. I'll link the video down below of showing like how my brain works. That's what the video should be called because I'm all over the place. Then these are some bat bows that I made with my silhouette cameo. Little topper with Maggie Holmes ephemera. Then these are some of the crepe paper rosettes I made. These rosettes, the actual like crepe paper part, were made by Christina's Crafty D Stash. I'll link her down below. She makes them and sells them, and then all you have to do is decorate them. So I love that she offers that. There we go with the spider web. Added some Daiso Japan like sequins in there to shake around. Then the top I just layered multiple pieces of like just random ephemera, and I thought it gave it like a really cool look with some fringe and some sewing. And then this I decorated with a bag topper, some tape, one of my little words that I made that says spooky, with some straws, little rhinestones, and this chunky glitter spreader from Hobby Lobby. And then this glitter tool is from the Dollar Tree. All you have to do is freaking fussy cut that. How like genius is that? I did not think of that. I guess Alice did it, and then Shara did it, and then now I'm copying it. Super cute. Oh, and then the bag is from Hobby Lobby. It's just in the party section, gold stripe. And then the back, I just did a little crow with my name. So that is, and then I have other stuff. It just doesn't fit in the bag, obviously. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.